Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pizza. First, let's create the perfect foundation, the dough. Start by combining your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate the yeast mixture. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a great texture. Finally, allow it to rise for 1 to 1.5 hours, letting the yeast work its magic and double the dough's size. This preparation ensures a fantastic crust for your pizza. Next, let's craft a delicious sauce that will elevate your homemade pizza. Begin with a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, simmering them gently with 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Infuse the sauce with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and a hint of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Season it perfectly with salt and pepper, then let it cool. While it cools, prepare all your favorite toppings, from savory meats to fresh vegetables. Now for the exciting part, assembling and baking your pizza. Preheat your oven to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking steel inside for that perfect crispy crust. Gently stretch your risen dough into a 12-inch circle. Transfer it to parchment paper or a pizza peel, then spread about 1/2 cup of your delicious sauce, leaving a small border. Finally, generously top with 1 1/2 cups of shredded mozzarella and all your favorite ingredients. The moment of truth has arrived. Carefully slide your assembled pizza onto the preheated stone or steel in the oven. Bake it for 8 to 15 minutes, watching for that beautiful golden brown crust and bubbly melted cheese. For an even crispier base, try baking directly on the stone. Once done, remove your masterpiece and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the cheese to set. Garnish with fresh basil or parmesan, then slice and enjoy your incredible homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.